Welcome back to the Daily Trading Tip series. In today's tip, choose your broker carefully. Most brokers, I'm not saying all brokers, but most brokers want you to lose money. So don't follow their advice. If they are sending you emails with trade ideas, don't follow it. Shut out the noise and stick to what you understand and stick to your plan. If a broker with good spreads but then also sends you trade ideas that lose, there's no point in following those ideas just because that broker has good spreads. And obviously it doesn't really make sense now, but I know that there's a lot of traders out there that will follow the broker's trading ideas. The broker isn't there to help you make money. They're there to supply orders into the market, and the more you trade, the more commission they make. And remember, traders, happy trading. And remember, traders, happy trading.